Hey, welcome to Gear Jammer Garage. Today I'm going to be working on my 2019 Harley Davidson Road King Special. Right now I'm cleaning the air filter. It's a Can-Am, so I got it drying so I could oil it. But while I was looking in my parts drawer, I found these Latch Lightz that I had bought a couple years ago and never installed them. They're from Custom Dynamics. So figured I'd make a video installing those real quick. They go here where this reflector goes. So shouldn't be too difficult. Gotta take the bag off, take this all apart to get to the latch. I've already emptied the saddlebag. This is pretty simple to take off. You just unscrew these. And the bag comes off. Just like that. So I'm gonna take the bags off, take the seat off, and go from there. This should have everything we need. It even comes with these little, it even comes with like these little zip ties and these little sticky things to route the wire inside of the bag. So let me get started. Wow, look how dirty that is. I should have cleaned it before I started this video. So I'm gonna clean this up real quick. Then we'll go downstairs into the editing room and we'll do this down there. I'm gonna open it up and take off that strap that it has inside. This one here. And it's T15. And I'll just put these back so I won't lose them. So these here are T20 and these here are T15. I didn't have that with me, so I had to go out to the garage and get it. That's it. So we got to drill a hole here. It's going to be a 1/4 inch, and then that's where you're going to run the wire, and then we're going to push this off. It just has adhesive, and then the new light's going to go there. We'll run the wire here, and then we'll mount it back up. Right here. You're gonna drill that out. No, I went too far. So I'll stick something in here to push it through. So when you do this, try not to drill all the way through so that you could just push this up. What I'm gonna do is just kind of lift it like this. My finger back here. Oh, this thing's putting up a fight. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna heat the back up with my heat gun and then pull this out. It's kind of cold in here, so that'll probably help. this off. Clean off this adhesive. It'll take me a while. So I got most of that adhesive off. Well, actually I got it all off. But I made a mistake here on this hole. It's supposed to be a little bit further down. Here's a template. I know you can see that, but it's not a big deal. I can fix that. So I'm gonna mark this hole here. Then I'll get rid of the template. It's this little plastic thing. I hadn't seen it. Oh, you can see that. I hadn't seen it in the kit. So yeah, don't make that mistake. Drill this out real quick and then put the light in here. So the instructions say after you drill the 1/4 inch hole to enlarge it to 3/8. So I did that and then kind of connected that there. So now I'm gonna pass the wire through here. This is all kind of easy, it's just a little time consuming, but yeah, there we go. So pull that off there, pull this off right here. You only get one shot at this, so let's make it good. There we go, bam. That's it. Looks good. Yeah, that looks real good. I like it. So these little foam strips come in the kit that go right here and kind of protect the wire, and then the lid itself has like a rubber right here. So I was gonna drill a hole here, but I saw that I had this and I don't have a grommet to put there, so I'm gonna mount the latch back on, then put the little foam strip and then run the wire and over here to this side. Let me see if you can see that. Over to this side, and then I'll drill the hole and add the connector, and then I'll do the same to the other side, and then we'll go mount this on the bike and test it and see how it works. So I was gonna route the wire back like this, but I went to the bike to get the other saddlebag. It's right there, so I can start soon. And the wire has to come out of the front because it's gonna go under the seat. So I'm gonna route the wire this way and around like this, and then about 1 inch below the screw, somewhere around right here, I'll drill the hole and put the grommet so the wire could come out, because the seat kind of ends up like right here somewhere. So that's how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do that real quick, and then I'll do that bag, and then we'll go back up there, take the seat off, and test this. is where I'm gonna drill the hole. Right there. About an inch below this. Instructions say 9/16. I don't have a drill bit that's 9/16, so I'm gonna use the step bit. I'll mark how deep to go. That's 9/16 right there. You don't have to do this, but just to illustrate for you guys, that's the depth right there. All right, install the grommet. Well, so far the hardest part has been putting this grommet in. But that's what's gonna go. I'm gonna pass the wire through here, and then I gotta put these terminals in the connector. All right, to put the connector, the wires, you could put them in 180 degrees off, but they only click one way. So with this little tab here to the left, the red one goes on the bottom, then it's the yellow one, then it's the black one, and then the top one is brown or purple, depending on what side you're working on. I already messed this up, so I had to get my little tool here and deep in. I messed up on the red one, I put it on the wrong side. Also, the instructions have the diagram here, but when I was putting it in, I had moved it. So I ended up putting the red one on the wrong side, but that's how it goes. So this is done. So I'm gonna continue this in the morning so I can wash it while I have all this apart, give it a good clean, and finish cleaning the filter, put that back on. So it's like 2 in the morning right now. Here's the harness that goes in here. Almost done. Just need to mount this, put the bags back on, hook it up, and test it. So we'll continue in the morning. I'll give this a good cleaning. I got the bike all washed. It's the next day. So the next step is to install this harness here in line between the harness that comes, from the bike and then goes into the fenders in the back. I believe it's this one here. So this plugs into here, and this plugs into over here. that. So one connects here, the other one connects here. I'll go get the saddlebags real quick and mount them, and then we'll do all the hooking up. We'll test it, and if everything's good, we'll put the seat on. All right, got the saddlebags on, got it all hooked up. Both connectors are the same, so the way you could tell which one's left and right, the brown one on the harness will go to the brown one on the saddlebag, and the other side, it's the purple one on the harness, it goes to the purple one on the saddlebag. So let's see. Yep. And hit the brake. Yep. Turn signal. Cool. Same on this side. Turn signal. Brake. Cool. So it's not too difficult. A little time consuming doing the saddlebag part, but other than that, it's pretty easy and straightforward. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.